I do not understand. Can you imagine a guy that I know that is a wannabe? He has nothing. Came to me and was hyping himself. He was building this imaginary world that doesn't exist. And I begin to wonder, do you think by building that wall you're going to entice me?
Well, this talk is too much for my mouth. I mean, this is the in thing. Guys do it all the time. Like, you see a babe you like, and you feel say the only way to get this babe na still and say you get house for Banana Island. Your father na Prime Minister for London. I mean, Prime Minister for London. You know what I'm talking about. What? And then all kinds of lies. Then you get this girl, you use her and you dump her, and then you tell yourself you're a man. Now, for now, my advice is this: next time when you say you want.
One says he goes to US to charge his phone. Can you imagine
and to America to poo. You know, I don't have time to talk about these guys. Welcome to Just the Gist. My name is Chizzy.
And I am Lady J.
Baba Two-Face, our very own guy now. I want love my people. Nah. The guy didn't call us. He called us, rallied us, that we should protest.
Yes.
All of us even do hashtag for Facebook, for Twitter.
I stand with Nigeria.
I stand with Nigeria. We're all ready. We buy t-shirts. We print our names. You know, we're ready to, go and, support Nigeria and see what to do about the situation in Nigeria. I mean, the economic recession.
We want
our president is nowhere to be found. You know what I'm talking about? And then all of a sudden, he released a video.
Your president is somewhere to be found. Your president is in London.
My president is nowhere to be found.
He's in London.
And then suddenly he came up and he released a video on Twitter and told us that we are sorry, we can't hold a protest. Lives are at stake. I mean, can you just be a Martin Luther for nothing?
His name is Two-Face. Double face. When you're living with double face, that's all you expect.
You want from Malcolm X. You know what I say? Well, he has his reasons though. So whatever reasons Two-Face had for calling off the protest, we respect it, I guess.
Seriously, I love Two-Face, forget it. But the Two-Face thing is normal. People's name have a way of affecting their lives. It's just natural.
That's just it.
Still on the protest. Charlie Boy, area Papa, that guy. That guy, the colo. But I like him. He stood at the forefront of that protest on the 6th of February. He was all over the place.
He took over the protest, man. He was what Two-Face refused to be.
Yes.
And
he also said, if anybody should take a bullet, I should take the bullet.
I mean, that guy was ready for anything. And that is what I call
someone who is out to defend his or her country. He didn't stop there. The gist was on the 9th of February. NLC took to the streets in Yaba, Lagos, where they were campaigning and saying that this mumu must stop.
It has to. I mean, even John, we need to campaign.
I cancel my own like Two-Face. Now I was supposed to campaign on the 10th. I cancelled this.
No, we go fix our own dates. Juicy Day National Day of Campaign. Me, I go do alone.
I am Two-Face sister.
I go do my own because
Mr. VP say you don't hear a campaign. Me, I don't want to make anybody die. Me and Two-Face.
I tell you, say you will go stand for it. I say no, let me and you go do.
Me, I no follow. I no follow that.
I beg my people. Now remember JJC Skills, Funke Akindele's sweetheart, the latest husband.
Tokumbo husband. Tokumbo.
Now she talk, no be me. The guy don't see the meat when they inside movie. So finally he's leaving music. Or let's say it seems like he's leaving music and going into the film industry. He wants to be shooting movies now. They chop and want the job. Recently he even shot a movie called Trans Street.
Industry.
Yeah, Industry.
The name I don't blame you.
Where he featured his own wife, Funke Akindele. They're going places, right?
They are doing well. I'm impressed.
They probably take over the movie industry in Hollywood very soon. But kudos to you, JJC Skills.
That's the essence of marrying. If your business will go, marry woman where business they go, you join
that family industry.
Yes.
Before you know, money don't full house.
The Bible says two shall become one. I like so. You join a business, no don't.
I like their marriage. I like their marriage. Now we're done.
Still on JJC Skill, man. Small body, not be small pikin. You know, Starboy gets daughter with 20 years.
I know now.
You know?
Who will I know now.
When I see her,
now step mommy.
When I see her, I say 20 years old daughter for a young guy like that. I'm gonna reason my life. So I'm supposed to get with the person like 40 years now.
My friend, sometimes I don't wonder. Anyway, Anambra, babe.
Will I be real? Will I be real? Understand?
My
Maybe
people,
my
my
mother for born my pikin for belle before they born me.
I don't hear you.
That kind of thing.
JJ's skills and Funke Akindele. I wish you guys the best in your marriage. Eh? Keep rocking, keep rolling. We know one here say.
No, even if you hear na business,
I
the
know
marriage
why I
na
hear.
business, so no go crash. I like am. The marriage is business, it won't crash. It's a good business. Yes, so Big Brother Nigeria, we promise to keep you updated, whatever happens
Things
in the
are
house.
happening in the house, so.
Some people took the walk of shame.
They did.
Who are they? The first walk of shame in the house.
Mayonnaise.
My love.
Now,
Samadina.
okay,
Is it mayonnaise?
Samadina went.
Yes, he went with mayonnaise. So
Yeah, mayonnaise. Na mayonnaise. I know the spelling of the name na mayonnaise.
Na Beyonce.
Kokomo, these people might attire for them. One saying at T-Boss, you know her real name?
No.
Tokumba. You get one person wey call her Tokumba to get para 2 days ago.
Child.
Say, don't call me my name.
But why you like trouble now? Why you go call her Tokumbo? She said her name na T-Boss.
No be the name wey her mama give her. The thing even
As she change her name na crime.
I beg, leave big
But
brother and
still on
big
Big
sister.
Brother, I was surprised when I saw my love. I call him my love. I love that guy when he entered the house. Samadina, living in the house.
Oh my God.
But I learned a lesson. It's a game. Like when they were crying, I was like, why are you crying? One person will take the money home, not everybody. Unfortunately, they took the walk of shame for one reason.
Which kind of question they ask? Say, why are they crying?
Why would they cry?
Now
No big game.
You can't win 23 million naira. Unfortunately, now
When you dey enter house on a day 12, now one person go win. So anybody will go. No be your luck.
everybody carry am for mind say they go win. No let T-Boss o. T-Boss say she wan go, say she no do again. T-Boss said, I have worked so hard to maintain my life, and now these people are breaking it down. I am leaving.
Example,
T-Boss don pack her things.
Are you serious?
If you see what, you know my sister.
No, since Samadina left, my spirit left the house. Although I know the guy wanted to play some people and ended up being played because they went to the house, he fell in love with Gifty and mayonnaise or Beyonce or whatever, fell in love with T-Boss. They were playing lovey, but never trust a woman that has a mission. No. When this girl entered there, what's her name? T-Boss entered the direction, say, may they remove Beyonce come out, they say, it's love. It could be
She
love.
can't let us say mayonnaise na distraction. Say na distraction. Anyway, well, it's all going down well right now.
Congrats to them, Sha, but they took the walk of shame. They will forever be remembered that in season 2 of Big Brother Nigeria, they were the first people to leave the house.
Come, we don't advertise for too much.
Make we advertise ourselves. Make we start our own. Anyway, it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye for where? You don't remind them my birthday.
Chai. Not again. Tuesday's birthday public announcement it's a birthday that will last for just a minute.
Beth's
She
week.
was born. Yeah, okay, no, I'm talking about
Beth's
the
week.
date.
My birthday now 1 week.
No, let me tell them your date because I don't want to expose you. It's a 1 minute birthday between the hours of 12. No green make you carry 1 minute past 12 o'clock that day.
My
on the
people.
28th, if you pass 1 minute after 12, it has expired.
And I
So
don't
it's
hear
a
that
midnight
thing where they
thing.
talk say
Which reaching things.
bring your friends close, but bring your enemies closer. That's why she's close like this. Make her they monitor her. Guys, I see you there.
God.
If you can come, it's gonna be,
And happy vows in advance.
Happy Valentine.
Love you.
I beg go, take them easy. Do the right things. Don't sip too much.
Use your brain when you are loving. Carry your brain along when you are carrying your heart. Carry your brain. And remember, rumors will soon be out. Like our Facebook page, please do that, and subscribe to YouTube and watch our cassette. Oh, sorry, that's a cassette. And watch our videos.
Yes.
Not too much, and watch our videos.
www.bigcityfilmproduction.
Cheesy, I'll go slap you. It's
www.facebook.com/bigcityfilmproduction. Please like us. We love you. See you next time.
YouTube, please. We love you. Bye.
What did they do mouth?
Why you dey do my like that? I'm waiting.